MPact is, I think, the biggest BMW show in the entire Northeast. That sounds crazy, right? Yo, what's up, guys? We're here at MPact 2023. It's really loud, you guys can tell. If you guys didn't know, there's racing over there. We got sticks. We literally just got here. We're all tired. We're all confused. We don't know where to go. But we're gonna go check out some cool cars, so stay tuned. We already found a few cars that you guys probably recognize. We got Malaya's F30. You guys remember Lou, AKA Blended Gray, with the M340 over here. Man, they got the good spots, like right by the track. I literally parked like for the general admission. Anyways, I know this E46. I don't know the person who it belongs to, but I see it all the time. Got a whole bunch of other cool cars. Look at that. That looks crazy. M2 comp. Yo, should I get an M2 comp?
That's fire, right?
Right? I always love them. You know what's weird though?
You think I'll fit in one of those?
We already discussed this in the key show, bro. You're too tall.
Oh yeah.
I actually think I would get an M2 base instead of the comp, just because I actually like the N55 and the way that it sounds. But the comp is cool. Anyways, more cool cars. Look at the livery on this one. Pretty crazy. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because that track is super loud. This blue is beautiful on the F80. This thing is crazy. Whoever built this thing definitely put a lot of money into it, but it's sick. Got an M2. This is actually sick. I like this one. I like it a lot.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah, I like the blue and yellow. That's pretty fire. This is a sick purple. Is this midnight purple? Oh, this is a new M2. What do you guys think of the new M2? Dude, people are going crazy at the track. Sheesh. We'll go check out the track later. But for now, F82. Ooh, roll cage. Rear seat delete. Yeah, this is sick. This is a Ferrari red. Got the tanks right by. Ooh, dude, I love red.
I do look different. I like red too, bro. That's
Yeah.
my favorite color, so like.
Really?
Yeah,
Me too.
Red is my favorite color.
We have so much in common.
I know, right? The only thing we don't have.
We're gonna
in
go out
common is
sometime,
that-
or?
Yeah, I'm down, bro.
All right, let's do it.
I'll pay for the gas. You pay for the date.
Bruh. All right, deal.
There you go.
We're taking the M3 though.
Of
7 miles per
course.
gallon. We're gonna be ripping it.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, I forgot about that gas thing.
But yo, check this out. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's Mashimaru. Shout out to them. Dude, this is sick. There's a whole bunch of sick BMWs. But I actually like seeing some other cars once in a while. We got a GTR. Ooh, wagon. I love wagons. Maybe one day. This is sick. Fun fact, guys. This was the color I almost got my G80 M3 in. I would have done it with ivory interior though. But these seats are fuego. Bro, I swear, now that the X3 is gone, X3M is next. Probably not. My wife won't let him get one. But how cool would that be? you know why she doesn't want to get one?
What?
The gas. The MPG.
That makes sense. Hey, man,
What a shame. I didn't even realize FCP Euro is right by here. This is sick. Surprised it has silver trim. We got Precision over here. We got, oh, where's the E30?
This year we got the CSL this year.
Oh, you brought the CSL? Man. I mean, you guys still brought something good out, huh?
Of course.
This is sick too. You got more inside?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the G80.
Black shoes.
Why do you guys bring so many cars?
I mean, why not?
Yeah, it's the frozen, unless they have it wrapped. I don't know.
I don't think so. I think it is that.
No, I don't want to touch his car.
It is that.
No, it's frozen. Bro, it's frozen white, I'm telling you.
It's pearl white.
It's not pearl white. This is why I don't go anywhere with my brother. This is exactly what he keeps on saying. It's pearl white. It's frozen white. It's like matte white. They offered this on
You know what? It's
some of the
vanilla.
models. It's a what?
It's vanilla. Yeah, it's a new one. You haven't heard of it, right?
No, I haven't heard of it. That's new.
You need to step up your BMW game. man.
BMW individual?
Yep.
All right, good to know. Check this out too, guys. This is the Agile front end, if you guys don't know it. Now, I probably teased this. I'm not saying I'm definitely gonna be doing this front end on my G80, but if I do it, Don't be surprised. Yo, this color looks sick. I don't know for sure. I think this is signal green. Looks fire. You know what's my favorite part about the show?
What?
The weather.
It's cold though right now.
Bro, it's nice. There's like a breeze.
I'm cold.
It's running through my hair.
Yeah, you got a lot of that.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a lot of it.
Yeah. Another GTS. What is that, a CS? CSL? These two guys are always together in these shows. We've seen them so many times, the GTS and the CSL. They're sick though. Look at this. That's a sick color. Is this British Racing Green? I don't know, but yo, the green with the orange interior, perfect. So this is the Voodoo Blue. Yeah, this is actually sick. Yeah, this is the one he's talking about. On the other one, he didn't do this, but on this one, he painted this blue, like this piece down here.
It was in black too, right?
Yeah, it was in black too. That's why I was like, it kind of looked off on the other car. This just looks better to me, I don't know. I make this joke in every single video of mine. We out to Beamer Girls? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, Beamer Girls.
You see how there's like positive and negative? We repel, bro. We can't go. I can't go that way.
Oh,
So I gotta be.
so you telling me you repel girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too, I'm not gonna lie. This is like my high school days all over again. I'm not gonna lie, Sticks. I actually don't like the matte black, but I do like the forged carbon.
I'm the opposite. I like
On the matte black.
I don't like the forged carbon.
Really?
Yep.
Dang, bro.
No cap. I don't know why.
We ain't friends anymore. Yeah, it's just, it looks cool because like the matte black is sort of like plain, you know, and then you have like the pop of the forged carbon. I don't know, I actually kind of like it. Got on the side skirts, rear splitters, spoiler, diffuser, dang, he went all out. Oh yeah, and what do you call it, shark fin? I like it. All right, so XM, I actually like the front.
Do you want to go in it?
Can I? Oh, sweet. Can I sit inside it or is that?
Yeah, you can sit it.
I swear I'm not sweating yet.
Yeah,
Not yet, not yet. Ugh, ugh. This is nice. It has like the same screen.
Oh, that's like the same screen you have.
Yeah, my G80. Yeah, this one, I think it's is it hybrid or all electric?
You asking me if it's hybrid or all
Ah, you know everything, Sticks. Come on, tell me.
It just says hybrid.
It's hybrid? Yeah, that's what I thought. This is sick. I'm not too crazy about the rear. Look, it's Brian. Sir, can I have a picture? Can I have a picture? Can I have a picture? All right, so you guys saw we have keys over here. We have Bill's M2. This thing is sick. They did a whole bunch of work on that. And then we have the G80 M3. That's the Adro wing. You actually don't see these too often. That's pretty sick. Yeah, cause he's got the Adro front bumper, and that's also the Adro wing, and I think that's an Adro side skirt too. So this guy's got like the full kit. I don't know about the hood though. I don't know who makes that. It's nice, but the wheels are a little too big for me. I'm not usually a fan of like just slamming cars. It's cool though, it gets attention. The wing is nice. I'm not crazy about the diffuser. It's a little too much, but I actually really like the wing. This is actually pretty cool. So we got X5M, X3M. You can actually see like the size difference. Which one are you gonna take, X3 or X5?
Crazy, I'm taking this.
X5? Which one are you taking? X3 or X5?
X5.
X5? I would take the X5 too. It just looks more baller. And the colors helping it too. Like that matte, like dark gray. That's sick. I love the X3M. The X3M is way more affordable, at least right now.
Yeah.
But the X5, I think like,
You know what it is?
I just
too?
can't
What year
afford it at
is this?
all.
This is an older year too. That's but this looks so much better.
Well, yeah. So this is the pre-LCI X3M. So kind of unfair. I'm pretty sure this is like the
Yeah,
newest
it's
X5.
like-
I don't really know. Can't afford the X5M though.
It's low end.
Hey, look, black G80. Yeah, I figured. This one's a base.
Yeah.
So it's a manual. Look at this. What? Yo, hold on. Yo, forget the BMWs.
This is one of my dreams.
This.
Not a 911, but
What? So what car?
I want the GT.
What, forget the BMWs?
Yeah.
Listen, every BMW, is this not true? Every BMW guy loves Porsches.
Of course.
Yeah, this is chalk. It's like a really light gray, but this thing is beautiful. Dude, it has red interior too. That's sick. He's a firefighter. Well, his car is fire, that's for sure. Yeah, check this out. So you see this gray color? You see this color here? What do you guys think of it?
That's what?
The color, yeah, this color. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? All right.
It's
Well,
all right.
this is called oxide gray, if I'm right. I'm probably wrong.
You know too much, bro.
Yeah, well, because this color, they offered on the earlier models of the G80s. So when I was ordering mine, they no longer offered it. If they offered this color in a heartbeat, I would have gotten this with the red interior like he has it. This is sick. Wide-bodied, old-style 8 Series. People are gonna hate when I say this, but it kind of looks like a supercar. In a way, it looks like an old school supercar. Yo, guys, I found the good cars. Look at that. R8s. We got a Huracan. No, this is the newest, I forget what it's called, but it's like the newest, or last version of the Huracan, I believe. Got an Aventador. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, an R8 would be sick. If I were to go like supercar, at least like entry-level supercar, would be R8. Dude, as much as I love BMWs, isn't it just like something else seeing like an actual supercar? It's just never the same. It looks like a Hot Wheel. I don't know how to explain it. They just look like Hot Wheels.
They do.
Guys, there's legit so much going on, so many cars, so many booths. I feel like I'm missing so much. I'm trying my best. And we also keep on just like making fun of each other along the way. So we're probably not doing the best job showing you guys all the cars, but I'm trying. There's just a lot going on. Honestly, if you guys missed MPact is I think the biggest BMW show in the entire Northeast. So definitely check it out next year if you can. I try to come every year and honestly, it never disappoints. This just proves what I was saying before. Supercar, BMW. I love BMWs. And listen, they're fast. And they could be some supercars, but you'll never be able to compete with just like the styles and, you know, like that feeling that these supercars give you even just looking at them. I don't know, just my opinion. You know what's funny? I literally just came here and I was talking about like BMWs can just never compete with supercars and I didn't even realize. Look at this thing. Sheesh. This guy and his famous M2. You guys like my M2? No, I'm just kidding. Look at this. They got 98, right? And 100 octane race gas. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They have a whole gas station. Makes sense, right? Actual racetrack. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up over here. There's just way too much going on. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of the show. Hopefully find some food, which is almost impossible. But anyways, with that said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop it a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.